With Nutshell's Notetaker, you can effortlessly transcribe your spoken words into text. To access the Notetaker button and start transcribing, click on any person, company, or lead, and click on the Notetaker icon under the Log an Activity or Write a Note tabs. You can also click on an activity you've already logged and start generating your transcription from there. Another place you can use Notetaker is in the Send an Email pop-up. Just click the icon and Notetaker will use your microphone to start transcribing your spoken words into text. Simply give Nutshell permission to use your microphone and then start talking. The icon will turn red and show a sound bar to indicate that you're being recorded. Simply start talking and let Notetaker do the rest. Click the icon again to stop your transcription, and it will automatically populate and edit itself for a highly accurate AI-generated transcription.